Typewriter, Scoop Jordan, Lady Abhijita. Time for Arms. They're trying to get that one in gate 6. But you still have some time. Raging Prospect coming off the lawn. So to the Angel. It's still quite a few left to load. Hurry and wager. Classy Prospect. That one will load gate 9. Waiting on Perfect Neighbor. 3 to 5 favorite goes in. Track clear for racing. Field in line for the 35th running of the Superstakes, sponsored by Talawah. They're off for the Superstakes. Scoop Jordan, Typewriter, they get away on the far side. Classy Prospect and Commanding Chief racing near to us. Rum Punch is right close to us as well in the early stages of the event, as Classy Prospect, Commanding Chief and Rum Punch now go for that lead. Raging Prospect races down near the rail. Typewriter taking off the fractions, running the fence. Perfect Neighbor in a handy spot in between horses. Lady Abhijita pulling alongside him. Scoop Jordan racing further back. Umbre moving down on the outside of the grey Exotic Gold. A break to the Angel. Cold Ground races next, and then Time for Arms. The Superstakes field arrive at the 7. They're about to take the backstretch, and a Classy Prospect sets the fractions. Commanding Chief now moving up to take him on, and they're almost eye to eye. Typewriter watches them a length and 3 parts back, and racing in 3rd spot. As they continue their way down the backstretch, Raging Prospect has moved alongside Typewriter, now just coming into view. Umbre on the outside of a Perfect Neighbor. They'll run as a team. Lady Abhijita and Exotic Gold on the inside of 3 wide. That's Rum Punch. A gap back to Scoop Jordan. Then Cold Ground, the Angel, and a Time for Arms. And needs a miracle from there as the field now swing into the half-mile turn. Classy Prospect and Commanding Chief continue to go at it up front, hammer and thong. Raging Prospect on the outside of Typewriter. Typewriter needs to make up some 3 lengths as they blast past the 3/8 pole. Exotic Gold on the inside. Perfect Neighbor now wound up for his charge as they arrive at the 5/16th. Commanding Chief in the bright orange silks at the top of the lane in the Superstakes. Here's Typewriter now closing in on him. Classy Prospect may have cried enough. Exotic Gold, Raging Prospect and Perfect Neighbor out wide, but Typewriter has the run on them as they run toward the furlong pole. Commanding Chief, he's refusing to quit. Perfect Neighbor shaken hard along with Exotic Gold. Typewriter battling to hold the advantage inside the final 16th. Perfect Neighbor and Commanding Chief in tow. Typewriter fights them off. Typewriter wins the Superstakes. Perfect Neighbor may just have taken second from Commanding Chief, Exotic Gold, then Raging Prospect and Rum Punch. In the winner's enclosure, the unofficial winner of the 35th running of the Superstakes, sponsored by Talawah, number 1 Typewriter, 4-year-old Bay Gelding by Western Classic, Doc's Paladin by Boundary, Bredham Stables Limited, owned Robert F. Chung and W.P. Valentine Chung. Train Spencer Chung, the rider Shane Ellis, his 4th win on the card. It's also the 2nd win for trainer Spencer Chung, who also won the sprint with St. Cecilia. 2nd goes to 11, Perfect Neighbor. 3rd, 10, Commanding Chief. 4th, 7, Exotic Gold. 5th, 4, Raging Prospect. Running time, 2,000 meters, 2 minutes, 6 and 3. Horses going to the testing barn. 1, Typewriter. 6, Time for Arms. 8, Cold Ground. 11, Perfect Neighbor. 1, 6, 8, 11. All go to the testing barn.